Well, hey, my dudes.
My dudes.
Welcome to the channel and today's video. This is the project. Going to take out this 15 by 14. Going to install a LiftMaster trolley opener. Need to take that ceiling fan down. Right now, just kind of setting up shop, just bringing out the tables, pulling out the horsies, and going to get everything positioned so that way we can get after it. Today's going to be a good day. But yeah, I don't know what kind of door this is, but it's pretty creased up on the outside. Commercial shop door. We got all this in here.
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy.
All right, out here in a barn in Indiana, you might run across a big old spider like that.
You serious?
Oh my God! No, 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 no. Gotcha, bitch.
Big old boy. Good, good, good. Still wearing those
Suspenders, huh? Heard that.
Yep.
Bibs.
Really digging the bibs.
Look good. Digging the bibs.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Oh! He needs some milk.
That one sucked.
That was the broken panel.
That one sucked.
Broken panel. What the dog doing?
Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Too big, 7/16.
Say what?
Yeah. All right, this is where we're at. Horizontals are mounted, springs up, got the struts on. Have to tie the center coupler together and then put the rest of the turns on the two springs. And this thing will be ready to go up and down. So right there's a nice little close-up of the center coupler. We had to put a springboard back there. The one that was there before was all cracked. Didn't really trust it. Got my guy Crumbs over here winding it up.
Wind it up.
Always bulking.
Do you even lift?
Yeah.
There's 44.
I'm dying.
44. Okay, we gotta tie it off.
Let's do this.
Yep, down with it. Trying it again. I'd say right there's perfect, man. Setting the limits. Got it all finished up. Yeah, we got a long pigtail sticking out until they figure out how they're gonna power it. So I think they're gonna put an outlet up there where the ceiling fan was and just plug right into it. But that's it.
I tried to sneak through the door, man.
Smooth. There we go. That's what we look like above the door here. I triple hung this opener just for the fact that I had to really stretch back with that angle iron. And that's more for just stability to keep that power head from moving back and forth. And then two hangs right there in the center will add extra stability. And the thing is pretty solid. Yeah, we ran the wall button wire, you can see here, until they figure out, you know, what they want to do, whether it's conduit or run it up in the ceiling. I don't know, but that's all on them. Looks good, looks good. Works really good too. One thing about garage doors I'm not a big fan of. Yes, putting on the perimeter seal. Getting the trim on there. Yeah, it's not a glorious job, but nonetheless, it is a job that needs done. So instead of me just standing here staring at it, I better do something. Got that dreaded vinyl trim on. Right there's the old stuff.
Look at that. That's nice and shiny.
15 by 14. Out with the old, in with the new, so they say. Thanks for checking this one out. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Peace out, y'all.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.